Struggling with a weak Wi-Fi signal on your Windows 10 or 11 device? Discover how to boost your Wi-Fi performance and enjoy a faster, more reliable connection. Press Windows button, and in the Start search bar, type Power Options. Select Power Options from the search menu. In the new window that opens, click on the Change Plan settings of the power plan you are using. Click on the Change Advanced Power Settings. A new window opens. Here, look for Wireless Adapter Settings. Click on it to expand. Then expand the power saving mode. If you are on a desktop, you will see just one option, named Setting. If on a laptop, you will see On Battery and Plugged In options. Click on the option DAS and select the Maximum Performance option. When done, click on OK to apply the settings. Press Win plus X keys on your keyboard. From the menu, click on Device Manager. From the list of device drivers in Device Manager, find your Wi-Fi driver. Right-click on it and select the Properties option. In the Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. There, in the list named Property, look for Roaming Sensitivity Level, Roam Tendency, or Roaming Aggressiveness. Select it when found, and from the Value drop-down, select the Aggressive option. Now, in the list, select the Antenna Diversity option and change its value to Auto. Look for Band Preference or BSS mode. If using a 5G connection, set the value to 802, 11A. If using a normal 2.4 GHz connection, set the value to 800 and 2.11G or 802, 11B. Once done changing these values, press on OK to apply the settings. After that, restart your PC. Press Windows plus X and click on Command Prompt Admin in the menu that opens. In Command Prompt window, type Netch Interface IPv4, show subinterfaces, and press Enter. Note down the name of your Wi-Fi adapter that appears. It could be Wireless Network Connection or Wi-Fi. In the Command Prompt window, type the command given below, Netch Interface IPv, set subinterface, Wi-Fi, MTU, =, 1400 store, persistent, now press Enter. If your Wi-Fi network adapter name is different, then replace Wi-Fi with a different name in above code. To know your Wi-Fi adapter name, do this. Search View Network Connections in Windows 10 search box. Click on Search Result. Note down the Wi-Fi name. In the screenshot given above, the Wi-Fi name is Wi-Fi in Command Prompt. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Type Netch WinSock Reset Catalog and press Enter. Type Netch int IP Reset and press Enter. After that, restart your PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.